Jacinta here from Thomas Web Designs, soon to be Trinkle Digital, where I deliver cost-effective, fast, friendly website solutions and digital marketing services. So today we're going to be talking about how to add a blog to your website. So let's discuss how to add a blog to your website. So adding a blog to your website is a strategic move that enhances your online presence, boosts search engine optimizations, also known as SEO, and engages your audience with valuable content. Whether using platforms like WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, Shopify, GoDaddy, or any other things, Showit, etc., each offers a unique method to integrate a blog onto your website. So I'm going to go through briefly and show you how to add a blog to each one. So let's start with WordPress. So WordPress offers a variety of different themes. So I'm going to show you a few different sort of themes and drop and drag builders. So the first one I'm going to show you is the one that I love most, which is called Divi by Elegant Themes. So this is a theme installed, which automatically comes with this drop and drag visual builder, but you can use other themes and use the Divi plugin builder as well. So basically when you come, the first step is just to create a new page. And when you create a new page, you have to create the page to call it blog. So what you do is you come into your Divi builder and you come, just let me backtrack and show you. You come into pages and all pages. And then you go and you add a new page. So I've already added a blog page here. So I'm just going to view this blog page here. And when you're on it, you come to Enable Visual Builder. Now, Divi is a great theme to use because it's got a lot of layouts and things like that. So straight away, it comes up with these options. You can build from scratch, build a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. I'm just going to build from scratch here just so I can show you. We're going to insert a row here, and you can see the blog module here, but I'm just going to add text here because I just want to add a heading. So we're just going to go blog articles. We might center this, so centering here. Then we're going to just quickly go to the design. I'm going to pull this over here. Sorry, if I go back to content, I'm going to make it a H1. So that's ideal for, H1s are ideal for headings. So if we come here to the design and we go heading text for H1, we can change different things here. We can change the font. I'll just keep it to the normal font. We can change it to like maybe ultra bold. We'll make it capitals. I've already centered it. We can change the color if we want, but I'll leave that black. Let's change the height a bit. But you can do different things here, but we're just going to leave that. Then we're going to add a new row here, and I'm going to use the blog one. So straight away, obviously post types. I'm just going to go 1,000 here because, 10, 100,000 because I want all blogs to always go on this page. I want all categories. You can come down here to this element section. I want the featured image. I want the read more. I don't want to show the author. I want to show the date. I don't want to show the category. So there's different things you can do here. Then see how standard it just comes down to like this. So what I want to do, and it's coming like this because there's actually sample blogs on this, whereas if you don't have any blogs, it won't show any blogs until you add a blog. I'm just going to quickly go to design. The layout, currently it's full width. I'm going to make it grid because I like the grid. There are other ways you can change it with more customization, but we're not going to get into that right now. So straight away, done. Exit Visual Builder, save and exit, and your blog page is done. Simple as that. And to add more posts, you just go into the dashboard, into posts, and you can see 3 blogs here, but you simply just go add new post, add the title, Make sure that's on visual if it's on text. Add some content here, blah, blah, blah. And then down the side, you've got your featured image. You can create, pick a featured image, or, pick whatever you want. Here, I'll just pick this plant. On my computer because I can't see. And set featured image, and then publish. And then voila, the blog post is up. Just like that. And obviously it's got a sidebar. You can take that out, but I won't get into that. But you can see on your blog that this one's added. Okay, so let's just jump off Divi and we're going to have a look at the next one. So this is Elementor. So again, the same thing, create a blog page. So I'm going to do that. And you want to come in here, edit with Elementor. Just waiting for it to load. Okay, so you've got your blog post page in here. Then you want to drag the thing. So you can come down here. There's lots of different things here. There's also Pro, obviously I've only got the free version. So if you have the Pro premium version of Elementor, you get a lot more things. Just in this search the widget, I'm just going to go posts. And you can see this one's probably the best one to use. So we just drop and drag that into here. And you can see that there's already posts that I've added in here. So you can see straight away. So we're just going to publish that. So again, it's published. If we go to the blog page itself, and you can see them here. So again, this one's got a sidebar. You can change them out, but your blogs automatically come on here when you add a new post. Okay, we're going to just jump on here to WP Bakery. So very similar thing. Create a blog page. Once you've got the page, you then want to design the page. So you on the page, edit with WP Bakery, and wait for it to load. So once it's load, there's templates and that you can add, but I just go straight from the blank and add an element. Just type in posts here. So you can do post grids and things like that. So that's probably a good one to use. You come here, again, make that, as many as you want. There's different elements you can have here. So at the moment there's 3. Whoop. Maybe we want to make it 2. So save changes. So see how it's changed to 2, whereas it was 3 just basically on the preview. And again, update your page, and that's what it looks like. Then we're going to look at Beaver Builder. Again, create a page and edit that page using Beaver Builder. So on Beaver Builder, you have the modules over here. So here there's search, you can just go post. So here you can use the posts here, drag it onto your page. Again, it gives you different options. So again, it's in 3, but yeah, you can change it. There's different things here. You can change it in the layout, more gallery style. There's different options, and you can play with that depending on what you want. Let's see, columns, so different things like that. And once you decide what you want, you simply just save and publish. And that's there. And again, same as all the others, you go to the dashboard and go to posts to add new ones. So I'm just going to quickly go through, I might quickly go through Squarespace here. So with Squarespace, so to add in here, if we go to add a page or add a page here, you just add a blog. And it gives you different layouts to add for your blog, and then you just click on there, and then you can just add blogs from there. Again, on Wix, we want to come and add the page. Basically, most of them are very similar. It's just what they're called. So we just look here, manage pages, add a page here, and you can add a blog here. And again, there's a few different options here with what you want. So say this one and add Wix blog, and it will create a page here with the blog, and then you can add your blogs in and go from there. I'll just show you what it looks like when it's adding it. It's taking its time. So see how it's created the blog page here, and then the posts are here, so you can add them on. So like that, and again, you can edit it and customize it slightly. And finally, I'll just quickly run through Shopify. So Shopify here, you're on the Shopify dashboard. You want to come here to the online store. Into your themes area and customize. And then up the top, you see how it says default and homepage. We want to come down here and we want to go blog. Okay, and so I've already done that, but it would normally, you create your blog. But if you click on it, you can see what it looks like here. You can make some, obviously that's just a standard blog, but you can come here and on the side here, you can see different things like the images, medium, you can make them small or large. You can make, it more collage. There's a few different, change of padding and things like that. Again, there's a few different things. And then when you save and you've got your blog, which I've already done, you want to exit back. I'm just going to leave that because I'd already created it before, but you would obviously save it if you haven't done it before. And then in here, the content section. Yeah, sorry, clicking on something else. It's not awake this morning, it wants to take its time. Oh, it's already clicked on it. Okay, so yeah, clicking on content and then blog posts. And this is where you add your blog posts here. And you can edit the old ones. So I really hope that was helpful for you. So basically, if you have any questions, let me know. I can provide training. I've got some little digital products of videos that you can buy from me as well on how to add blogs. Just let me know what platform and things like that, or any other website editing. Just let me know. Have a fantastic day. Bye.